Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to send money using Wells Fargo's transfer services. So first thing you want to do is to sign into your online banking account, or you can sign into the mobile banking app. And once you sign into your accounts in either one of these options, you just want to click on transfer, and then you want to select the transfer type, and that's person to person or whatever else it is you have on the options. Next, you're just going to enter the recipient's information and the transfer amount, and after that's done, you just want to review and confirm the transfer details. And once you submit that, you just gotta wait for the transfer to be processed. You can just review and understand the transfer terms and conditions, and that way you get to make better decisions on transfers. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to send money using Wells Fargo's transfer services. I hope you guys like the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.